Last week we discussed the meaning of bit depths and sample rates. This week I go a bit more in depth and give you 5 benefits to working with higher recording bit depths and sample rates. Hello everyone, and welcome to Distinct Mastering. My name is Freddie. I'm a mastering engineer, producer, DJ, and president of Sleeping Giant Music. For over 2 decades, I've helped artists grow their careers, and now I'm here to help you with your music production skills. If you'd like a free stereo master sample from me and you're a first-time client, be sure to check the link below in my description. Now let's chat about 5 benefits of working with higher quality bit depths and sample rates. If you missed last week's video about the meaning of bit depths and sample rates, be sure to check that out so you get an understanding. I'll leave you a link up above. I do want to preface this video by stating there's a lot of opinions on this subject and what bit depths and sample rates you should actually use. But at the end of the day, it's all about using your ears and trusting your judgment. Okay, number 1, sample rates. If you have a higher sample rate in your session, you're going to have more samples per second, which is going to give you a higher quality recording. Everyone wants better, right? Now let's talk about bit depth. The higher your bit depth, the more dynamic range you're going to have. And what that actually means is the more precise your faders are going to be. You're going to have more range for them to move around. And that translates to helping you have an easier time with your mix. Number 2, processing is a lot more accurate with higher resolution material. Plugins and effects like EQ, reverbs, delays, filters, and more are just going to sound better. Some plugins use upsampling techniques to work internally at a higher sample rate while processing your audio. Number 3, if you need to apply pitch correction or time stretching, it's preferred to work with a higher sample rate. Because there's a lot more samples with a higher sample rate, there's a lot more actual information about the frequencies in the sampled audio. Number 4, if you're working with DVDs or other high-quality media formats, you're probably going to want to use a higher sample rate. DVDs can handle up to 192 kilohertz. Now there's something to be said about working with a sample rate that high. First of all, you're going to be eating up a lot more disk space. Second, you're going to be recording frequencies that the human ear can't actually hear. Now that goes back to the opinions that I was referencing in the beginning of this video. Most importantly, once again, you need to trust your judgment and use your ears. Number 5, working with a higher bit depth doesn't put too much strain on your computer, so I always advise to work in at least 24-bit if you can. Now, working with a higher sample rate will put strain on your computer. As you increase your sample rate, your track count and number of plugins available will decrease, so do keep that in mind. I typically work on music, and I usually work at 24-bit 48K. A lot of my clients still work at 44.1, but it's pretty standard to be in 24-bit. Some of my clients still send me files in 16-bit, and I always advise them to try to increase to 24 if you can. It's just better all around. So there you have it. That's 5 benefits to working with higher bit depths and sample rates. If you have any questions about this video, or just want to chat about music production, be sure to drop me a comment down below. If we've never worked together before and you'd like a free stereo mastered sample from me, be sure to check out the link below in my description. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and the bell notification will keep you up to date. Once again, this is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and have a great day.